Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most searched, most misunderstood, and most life-changing topics ever: how to lose weight effectively. Now, I know you've probably heard 1,000 different things: cut carbs, do intermittent fasting, try this fat-burning drink. But let's be honest, most of those tips either confuse you, don't work, or make you give up after a week. So today I'm going to break it all down for you. The real science-backed, practical and long-term approach to losing weight. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, what to avoid, and how to stay consistent without starving yourself or killing your motivation. Before we start, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about transforming your body and your health this year. All right, let's begin. Let's start with a truth that might surprise you. Losing weight is not about eating less. It's about eating right. Most people think weight loss means giving up everything you love, eating boring food and feeling hungry all day. That's completely wrong. If you understand how your body actually burns fat, you can still enjoy your favorite foods, lose fat, and feel amazing. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Understand what weight loss really means. When we say weight loss, what we actually mean is fat loss, not muscle loss or water loss. You can lose 3 kilos in a week just by sweating or eating less salt. But that doesn't mean you lost fat. Fat loss happens when your body burns stored fat for energy. To make that happen, you need to create what's called a calorie deficit. Simply put, you have to burn more calories than you consume. But here's where most people go wrong. They go into extreme deficits, eating 800 calories a day, skipping meals and over-exercising. That only slows down your metabolism, drains your energy and causes rebound weight gain. So the goal isn't to eat less, it's to eat smart. Step 2. Calculate your calorie needs. Here's something practical you can do right now. Take your phone, go to any online TDE calculator. It stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. Input your age, height, weight and activity level. You'll get the number of calories your body burns daily just to stay alive and move around. Now, to lose weight safely, reduce that number by around 500 calories per day. This creates a deficit that helps you lose about half a kilo to 1 kilo per week. Slow, steady and sustainable. That's how real transformation begins. Step 3. Protein, the secret ingredient. Nobody talks about, if you only take one thing from this video, let it be this: protein is the king of weight loss. Why? Because protein keeps you full for longer, helps repair your muscles after workouts and boosts your metabolism. When you eat enough protein, your body burns more calories even while resting. Aim for about 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That means if you weigh 70 kilos, go for around 110-140 grams of protein daily. Sources: eggs, chicken, paneer, tofu, lentils, fish, Greek yogurt. Simple, affordable and available everywhere. Just add protein to every meal. That one habit alone can transform your body composition. Step 4. Carbs are not the enemy. Let's bust one of the biggest myths ever. Carbs don't make you fat. Overeating does. Your body actually needs carbohydrates for energy. If you completely cut them out, you'll feel tired, cranky, and your workouts will suffer. Instead of avoiding carbs, choose the right ones. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, roti made from whole wheat, sweet potatoes, fruits and vegetables. These give you fiber, vitamins and long-lasting energy. The trick is portion control, not elimination. So don't fall for the no-carb trap. You don't have to suffer to get fit. Step 5. The role of fats in fat loss. Now here's another shocker. You need healthy fats to lose body fat. Good fats keep your hormones balanced and improve brain function and heart health. The key is choosing unsaturated fats, things like almonds, walnuts, olive oil, ghee in moderation, avocados, and seeds. But don't go overboard. Remember, fats are calorie-dense. A handful of nuts is enough, not a full jar. Step 6. Hydration, the simplest fat loss. Hack. Want an easy fat-burning tip? Drink water. Seriously, most people confuse thirst with hunger and end up eating when they just need hydration. Drinking water before meals can help you eat less. Aim for at least 3-4 liters a day, depending on your body size and activity level. If you find water boring, add lemon slices or mint. Anything that keeps you sipping through the day. It's one of the easiest habits to start, and one of the most ignored. Step 7. Sleep, the fat-burning reset. Button, here's something people underestimate. You can't lose weight without good sleep. When you sleep less, your body produces more of the hunger hormone called ghrelin and less of the fullness hormone leptin. That means you'll crave junk food, especially sugary and salty stuff, the next day. Poor sleep also increases cortisol, your stress hormone, which makes your body hold on to belly fat. So if you're working out hard but sleeping only 5 hours, you're slowing down your own progress. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. It's free, it's powerful, and it can change everything. Step 8. Movement, exercise smarter, not harder. Now let's talk workouts. Most people think you need to spend hours in the gym doing endless cardio. But that's not true. Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. But that 20% is what keeps your metabolism high and your body toned. If you're a beginner, start small. Even a 30-minute walk daily can make a huge difference. Combine that with strength training 3 to 4 times a week to build muscle. More muscle, faster metabolism, more fat burned even while resting. You don't need fancy equipment. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, planks, and lunges are enough. Just stay consistent. Step 9. Stop drinking your calories. This one's a silent killer. Soft drinks, packaged juices, energy drinks, even those healthy smoothies can be calorie bombs. A single can of soda can have more than 150 calories and gives you 0 nutrients. Instead, go for black coffee, green tea, lemon water, or just plain water. You'll save hundreds of calories without even noticing it. That's how smart people lose fat. They make small but powerful swaps. Step 10. Mindset. The real game-changer weight loss isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you think. You can have the perfect diet plan, but if your mindset isn't right, you'll quit halfway. Here's the truth. Progress is never linear. Some weeks you'll lose a kilo. Some weeks nothing will change, and sometimes you might even gain weight because of water retention. That doesn't mean you're failing. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even if you mess up one meal, just get back on track the next. Don't punish yourself. Remember, one bad meal won't make you fat, just like one salad won't make you fit. Stay patient. Trust the process. Bonus tips to accelerate fat loss. Eat slowly. It takes your brain about 20 minutes to realize you're full. Track your meals. Use apps like MyFitnessPal to understand what you're actually eating. Avoid emotional eating. Sometimes we eat out of boredom, not hunger. Drink water first and wait 10 minutes. Have a cheat meal, not a cheat day. It helps your metabolism and keeps you sane. Walk after meals. Even 10 minutes of light walking improves digestion and fat burning. Tiny habits lead to massive results. Step 11. The 3-phase weight loss formula. Here's how to structure your journey in 3 clear stages. Phase 1. Start. Week 1 to 4. Focus on fixing your habits, sleep, hydration, and portion control. Don't worry about perfection, just consistency. Phase 2. Transform. Week 5 to 12. Start tracking calories, add workouts, and focus on protein. You'll begin to see real visible changes. Phase 3. Sustain. Week 13 onwards. Now it's all about maintaining your new lifestyle. Keep eating clean 80% of the time and enjoy treats 20% of the time. That's how you make weight loss permanent. Step 12. Busting common weight loss myths. Let's quickly bust some lies floating around social media. Myth 1. Eating after 8 p.m. makes you fat. False. It's total calories that matter, not the timing. Myth 2. Detox teas burn fat. Nope. Only calorie deficit burns fat. Myth 3. Spot reduction works. Sorry, you can't burn fat from one area only. Myth 4. You have to do cardio every day. Strength training and neat, daily activity work better. Myth 5. You'll get loose skin if you lose weight, not if you lose it gradually and stay hydrated. Step 13. Realistic results. So how fast can you actually lose weight? If you do everything right, expect about 2 to 4 kilos per month. It might not sound like much, but that's 24 to 48 kilos in a year. Life-changing results without crash diets. Always focus on fat loss, not scale weight. Measure your progress with photos, how your clothes fit and how energetic you feel, because the mirror never lies. Step 14. Staying motivated. When it gets hard, there will be days when you feel like quitting. You'll crave junk food, feel tired, and doubt yourself. That's when you need to remember why you started. Think about the version of you 6 months from now. More confident, healthier, stronger. That version is waiting for you to not give up today. Motivation doesn't come every day. Discipline does. Even when you don't feel like it, show up. Every healthy choice counts. Step 15. The ultimate weight loss. Mindset: losing weight is not a punishment. It's an act of self-respect. You're not doing this to fit into society's image of perfect. You're doing it so your body feels lighter, your mind feels sharper, and your heart feels stronger. It's not about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom from feeling tired, unconfident, and out of control. Every step, every meal, every glass of water, it's a step toward that freedom. If you made it this far, you're serious about changing your life. So here's your challenge. Start today. Not tomorrow, not Monday. I meant today. Drink more water, eat a high-protein meal, go for a walk, and take that first small step. Because the first step is always the hardest. But once you start, everything changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to lose weight too. Let's build a community of people who believe in healthy, lasting transformations, not crash diets and fake shortcuts. Thanks for watching. And remember, you don't need a perfect start. You just need to start. See you in the next one.